Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not used to doing sit down videos, but I've decided that this day I have to share this news with you. Although I'll not be posting this video up until whatever I'm sharing about you ishakuwa like to reality. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah. So let me give you the details of today so that you know when I received this. Today is on 3rd March 2025 and currently it's 8:25 as I'm recording. So earlier today I received an email. Okay, let me give you just a story kadogo too before I take you to the email thing. So I'm a student at Kenyatta University taking economics and statistics. I also took an ALX course, software engineering, and when nilichukua, I was trying to improve my economics and statistics. I was trying to go to data analysis, data analytics, of which after doing the ALX thing, software engineering, I did not find like that passion like so much. Okay, yes, I can code, I can do all that, but my passion is not there. Maybe itakuja with time, and ikikuja nitakuwa still equipped on that sector because I still love software, I still love coding, I still love programming, I love all that. So okay, economics, software engineering, and then currently hata sijamaliza. I actually lied on that CV. Please Safaricom, don't see this video, but I've not finished that course yet, although nimebakisha I think one project ndo nimalize, but actually hata nitafanya hiyo project kesho. So nimefanya pia a course ya data science kwa World Quant University. They offered it for free for me. I don't know if the time you'll be seeing this video, but it's free. But if you're actually interested in leveling up your skills in data sector, consider World Quant University. Go to their website. I think I'll link it in the description so that you go check them out. And then so that's actually my education. Hizo mambo za high school, they don't matter in this video. Okay, so I've been applying for jobs, LinkedIn, pia hizi za online, you just Google vitu za software, Python, Django, everything. And then after nimechukua hii course ya World Quant University, I decided let me just try and apply for like an internship. Nisiruke nianze eti nataka job, like permanent job. Let me start with an internship so that actually I get ground level experience. So I don't know actually how I knew about the internship. So I went to the Safaricom, like a friend of mine, time tulikuwa tunafanya ALX, a friend of mine named Chugodi, alikuwa ameniambia kuhusu Safaricom, and they offer internships, they offer a lot of stuff, like hizo mambo za software. Your time I applied, nika get rejected. I applied again, I was rejected. I applied the third time, I was rejected. But it came to a point where nikasema mimi nimewacha kuapply hizi stuff za Safaricom, acha niendelee kuapply vitu za LinkedIn. So mimi nika apply LinkedIn. Hakuna kitu mimi napata manzi. So sasa hiyo time nilikuwa na apply mara ya kwanza, niliclickingi ipate yenye inasemanga notify me for kama kuna jobs nini hivyo. So juzi like hapo Feb 12th. Is it 12th? Okay, nishatoka kwa hiyo nini. But Feb wakatuma message wakisema there is an internship program going on, blah blah blah. So I decided to put my faith and I applied for the job. For the CV, as usual, I had to tweak it, and this time I was not applying for Python or Django or anything. I applied for an analyst in that sector, of which I actually analyzing things, it's so satisfying, and hakuna issue with me doing that. So I applied on 12th, yes, it's 12th February, and then today it's on 3rd, and I received the first message. Ilikuwa inasema, come on, why is it taking so long to load? From Safaricom via Codility, robot@codility.com. Dear candidates, thank you for your interest in Safaricom. As part of the hiring process, please complete the assessment linked below to showcase your technical skills by solving job-related problems. Okay, you'll be asked to prepare code, answer technical questions, or both. Once submitted, your responses will be automatically scored and the result will be sent to Safaricom hiring team. For the best experience, please review the Codility candidate FAQ before you begin. When you're ready, please use the link below to begin the assessment. Further instructions will be provided. You'll be required to complete your assessment by the end of 6 March 2025. And they provided the link. If you have any questions about the test or the hiring process, please reach out to your point of contact at Safaricom. We know your time is valuable, so thank you for spending some of it to show us what you can do. Thanks again for your interest in a role at Safaricom. And that email came in at 4:49 p.m. 3 hours ago from this time I'm shooting. And then a second message. Actually, this is the one that I saw from Safaricom external recruitment. It says, "Dear candidate, please note that you have been invited to take a technical assessment. An email with the assessment link has been sent via robot.codility.com. You're required to complete the assessment within the allocated time. Please note that there will be no extension. The test will take you 135 minutes, which is equals to 2 hours and 15 minutes. Start when you're ready, in addition to good internet connectivity. Thank you. Kind regards, Safaricom talent team." So, as it now, saying in a shoot, I don't know anything about Codility. I've spent like months, like 1 month without kufanya anything in Python. So as it now, I just want to kujitayarisha kidogo akili in the coding things. I do some Codility demo tests, just familiarize myself with it. And I don't actually plan on copying because I want I've prayed to God and his idea to get this job, and by copying I'll feel like, it's just a technical. So I don't know if kutakuwa na the face to face, but I trust God that this is the first step of taking me better places. Because God, okay, God, thank you God, thank you God. This is something I did not even go through anyone. I did not even ask anyone for connection or like to recommend me uko mbele or anything. Like, this is just God's doing, because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. Nakama, this is usually sent to everyone. I am so thankful because they have actually considered me. Because God, thank you God. I'm happy, but I still need to keep my happiness like low key, because it's not yet done. Just low key happiness. Thank you God. Yeah. So this is a sign for you watching me. That thing that you have been praying for. Trust in God. Believe in God. I'm actually going to look for that verse that says that whatever you pray and you pray believing, it happens. Like, actually guys, just believe in God, trust in him, put all your faith in him. Don't listen to other people who usually say that if you believe in God, there are some things that will never happen to you. Don't believe them. Just trust in God, and I'm pretty sure all shall be well. If this video is already posted, there is already another video ya nikifanya the test. Yes, ya nikifanya. Like, although kurecord inakuanga prohibited, but I might get a few shots with a blurry screen. I'll blur the screen so that you don't see it. I'll know what to do, but I'll make nikifanya yo test, of which nitaifanya kesho. For now, kutoka sahi mpaka 10, sahi namalizia ni 8:39. So kutoka sahi mpaka 10 naenda nifanye hiyo kujikumbusha. Hata sijapika. So first nitapika, nikule, nifanye kujikumbusha Python. I do some Codility demo test, blah blah blah, because I believe one thing that I know, I will pass. Na ngojeni nitaona. So I'll just go prepare dinner, and then nisome, nilale, niamke asubuhi 6, nijikumbushe tena, nisome tena because I really want to pass this. I hope I was recording, because if I'm not recording, I don't know if ninaweza rudia, because this was not scripted. Guy, I hope I was recording. And you guys, love God, pray. Actually, right now, just thank God for life. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment your other experiences. Have you ever been in such a situation that I'm in right now? Because yeah, this was actually a sit down video, and if you watched it, I really love you so much. See you next time. Bye.